Hi everybody and welcome to Science Wednesday. Today we are going to be doing an awesome experiment, one of my favorites. This is a sensory experiment. This is making homemade Play-Doh. I love Play-Doh and I am super excited to show you guys an easy recipe on how to make it. For this recipe you need some cooking oil, some salt, some flour, some water, and some lemons. So first, you need the recipe that I gave your parents. I also attached it on Flipgrid if you're doing this by yourself. So here is our recipe. And so first it says to add 1 cup of flour. So I already had my flour in my cup, so I'm going to pour it in the bowl here. There we go. Next it says to add 1/4 cup of salt. So I'm going to take my salt and I'm going to take my 1/4 of a cup and I'm going to pour my salt in. Get it all nice and salty. And then I'm going to pour it on in. Next, it tells me to add 3/4 cup of water. But I only have 1/4 cup. So I'm going to have to add 1/4 cup 3 times. So count with me. 1, 2, and 3. Awesome. Next it says to add 1 tablespoon of a lemon juice. Or 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, I'm sorry. So that's about 2 lemons. So I am going to squeeze my lemons in this bowl. Go to the other half, squeeze it in. Next half and squeeze this one in. Whoops, I want to make sure that the seeds don't get in. We don't want lemon seeds in our Play-Doh. And then the last half of a lemon. There we go. Next, my recipe says to add cooking oil. 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. If I can get it to swipe up, I can show you. 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. So here's my oil, and here's my tablespoon. I'm going to unscrew the cap. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Next it says I can add Kool-Aid packets if I want, but I don't have Kool-Aid packets here. So I'm going to start stirring up my Play-Doh. You can either use your hands or you can use a spoon like me. We got to get it nice and thick so you can play with it. Get it all in here. It seems a little bit mushy to me, so I might add some more flour. A little bit mushy, so I'm going to add a little bit more flour to make it thicken up. Because that doesn't look like very much fun to play with. That just looks like some dough. Looks like baking dough. So I'm going to add a little bit more flour Then I'm going to mix it in. That looks better. That's looking better already. Now it's getting to the point that I'm going to have to use my hands to get the dough. To get all the flour in the dough. Look at this, guys. Look at this Play-Doh. Get all the flour. And it says if you want, you can add some food coloring. So I'm going to add some food coloring to my Play-Doh and make it yellow because of lemons. So here's my Play-Doh, and I'm going to mix it in, and I'm going to make it all yellow. Look at this, you guys. Look at this Play-Doh. Awesome. Thank you for joining me on Science Wednesday and making homemade yellow Play-Doh. Yay, that's awesome. I think you guys will enjoy playing with this. Have an awesome day, and I will see you later for our book reading. Bye, guys.